Yung mga yung...
So what? Either way, dito rin naman hahanto. Ayan, oh, sige. Clean and clear. My point, my argument, I want to know where you will be is because you're married to me still. Ako yung padre de pamilya. And it's very disrespectful of you na lalabas ka na lang without me not knowing where you go, where you'll be, who you're with. And then uuwi ka na lang basta-basta, and that is so disrespectful. That's her. Okay? That's her. So now, because she doesn't want to work with me, she doesn't want to give respect, which is the right thing to do, she chose to leave. Tama ba? Uy, confirm. You chose to leave. Confirm. You chose to leave, right? Confirm. Confirm. Kasi, lack of a better word, bastusan kasi yun eh. Biri mo, lalabas ka dyan, sasama kong kani-kanino, tapos uuwi ka rito, puro buhangin yung...
Pwede pa yung copy.
I-upload ko sa email mo. Sige.
Thanks.
Exactly, yeah, confirmed. You're the one who chose to leave, not me.
Uy, ano mo na naman eh. Ikakat mo na naman.
Hindi ko ikakat, ikaw ang nagkakat.
No, I mean, ikakat mo na naman, tapos di ko na naman makukopya. Pakopya mo muna sa akin.
Okay. Yun nga. So, yun nga, hindi naman tayo wala, hindi tayo anal. And yet again, you refuse to show me respect.
Gusto ko, magpana, ayaw mo.
For the sake of Cal.
Diba?
No.
Oh.
Okay.
So, ikaw sinabi mo yan. Sinabi mo, ayaw mo.
Because I don't want Cal to live in a broken family. Pero sige, if you want annulment, fine. You want to start the counseling na?
Yes.
Okay, when?
Ayaw ko gumastos.
50-50.
Fine. 50-50, hindi 100. Hindi yung, ako na naman yung
Okay, 50-50.
sasagot for now, sabi, babayaran na lang kita.
Okay, 50-50. So, ngayon, maghahanap tayo sabay ng legal counsel na.
Fine.
Okay, sige. I'll go for that. Okay? Kasi ang hirap to live with someone who doesn't respect you. Okay. Alright, so, yun. Step 1. Okay? Sige, tuloy yung annulment. But,
Ay, naku, i-istorboy mo ba work ko? May work kasi ako eh.
what time?
6.
No. Kaya nga, bigay mo na lang kasi yung answer. So,
So ano nga, i-istorboy mo ka? Hindi naman.
hindi ka na-store mo yan. I'm not that kind of guy.
Yes, you are.
I am
Pinatuwa
not.
ako before ng basahan.
I'm not.
Yes, you did.
I'm not.
Nakatayo na mga estudyante ko.
I'm not.
Overlits na ako. May record ako ng pag nahanap ko.
Ang lakas mo mang gaslight. Ikaw ngayon ang mapapatay ng wifi.
Pag yun talaga nahanap ko, papakita ko.
Alright, so hindi mo inaamin na pinapatay mo yung wifi.
Nakita ko sa'yo, naging tumurong ko ng bataan. Nakaroon pa naman yung camera ko.
Go for it. At least ako, I have witnesses that you were turning off the wifi while I'm at work. Pero, alam mo, lumalabas tayo sa topic So, you're gonna leave because you refuse to give me respect. Tama?
Because ayokong masira yung graduation date mo.
Hindi masisira yun.
Because ayokong masira graduation date.
Pero, ang haba na,
Because ayokong masira graduation.
4 minutes, wala ka pang binibigay na confirmation. Confirm, you're the one who wanted to leave.
Because ayoko masira graduation date ko kasi last birthday ko pinayak mo na.
I did not. You're the
Yes,
one.
You did. You said, unbelievable. Why is your family here? I can't believe it.
Because I wanted us to be together, the three of us, you, Mikal. Hindi pa ba enough yun?
Invite pa kita? Sabi ko dali mo sila, hindi mo kayo invite.
Ouch. Feeling ko I was invited. Sorry naman. I assumed.
Ba't ka
Because
They
I
say
because
when you watch you.
because you're still married to me and I'm Kalstad, but it's okay.
Sige. Nakakalaman sa ikaw.
I'm not. Kaya tumigil ako eh. No confirmation yet, pero according to her, she wanted to leave. Okay.
Hamburger
Stop.
ka pala eh.
I'm not-
Ano kay hamburger?
Nope, it's security.